Hello children, good morning everyone. Today I will discuss in English. Our topic is dialogue writing. Your standard 4 subject English. Topic dialogue writing. Student, dialogue writing. What is the dialogue writing? So two persons are talking to each other. Okay. For example, customer, shopkeeper, student, teacher. Okay, mother, father to son. Okay, so here many examples, and you also talking to any person, that is conversation is dialogue. Okay, so I will explain dialogue writing. First, definition, what is the dialogue writing, then which points remember when you write dialogue writing. Then next I will explain some examples. Understood student? So let's start dialogue writing. So student, first what is the dialogue writing? Dialogue writing is a very important part of English writing. So as a letter writing, essay writing, picture description, unseen passage, story writing, then dialogue writing is very important part of English writing. Dialogue is basically a conversation between two or more people. Here students and teacher. So two or more. Shopkeeper and customer. So only two. Mother, father and son or daughter. So two or more. So dialogue writing is basically conversation between two or more people. In fiction, it is a verbal conversation between two or more conversation. Here, verbal conversation, student, between two or more conversation. Sometimes it is a self-talking dialogue. Sometimes we self dialogue writing. Some self-talking means I also sometimes talking to me. Okay. So sometimes it is a self-talking dialogue. They are known as a monologue. So two or more people talking to each other. People are talking to each other. So that's a conversation as a dialogue writing. But self-talking dialogue. So we are known as a monologue. Understood student? Two or more dialogue writing conversation, but self-conversation monologue. So first write in your notebook dialogue writing paragraph. Then student, second point, points to remember. Okay. Points to remember. So whenever you will write any dialogue writing, so which point remember? So points to be remembered. First, the students need to read the preceding and the following dialogues. Preceding, okay, and the following dialogues. So first, listen carefully. So not in front of which person, any person. They what is talking, okay. So first listen carefully, then write give answer. Number 2, they must understand the topic well and make points. Must understand which point, student, then make points. Number 3, the tenses should be accurate according to the dialogue. Tenses means which tense any person said to me or any other, for example shopkeeper, to customer, okay. So which tense used in its sentence, okay. Then give answer. Number 4, it should seem a natural conversation. It should seem unnatural means we are talking to, but that is not a artificial, natural conversation. Number 5, the words used should not be vague and should convey the message. The words used should not be vague, any other means confusion, and should convey the message. And our front of any person should convey the message. Okay, student. So points to be remembered. Write in your notebook. Then student, next point, in examples. Student, here first example I will read, then I will explain. User and robot. Here user, and second thing robot. Both are conversation. User said, "What's third?" Robot said, "I ranked the oxygen first." I ranked the oxygen first. User said, "Okay, which one is third?" Robot said, "I ranked the stellar map third." User said, "Why?" Robot said, I ranked the stellar map third because we will need it for navigation when we walk." User said, "Okay, what's next?" Robot silence. User said, "Which one do you want to do next?" Robot said, "I ranked the food concentrate fourth." User said, "Okay, why fourth?" Robot said, "I am sorry, I didn't hear you." Here, robot and user. Two are talking to each other, means conversation. So here user first said, "What's third?" What is the meaning of third? So robot replied, "I ranked the oxygen first." User said, "Okay, which one is third?" Robot again, "I ranked the stellar map third." Stellar map third means leg. It's legs. User said, "Why?" So robot replied, "I ranked the stellar map third because we will need it for navigation when we walk." Okay. Now user said, "Okay, what's next?" Robot silent. Okay. What next? Here user is asking to robot, "What's next?" but robot silence. User said, which one do you want to do next? Next, want to do. So robot replied, I ranked the food, concentrate fourth. User said, okay, why fourth? Robot said, I am sorry, I didn't hear you. Okay? So first conversation, next. Here, line, speaker and transcript. Okay? So here, teacher, student 2, student 2 and 3. Okay? Student 1, 2, 3. Here, 153, 154 means line by line numbers are given. 153, teacher. Right? So you are for the, you are against. Okay, so what S1 just said to you? S1 means student 1. So 154 means student 2. Nothing, says not to start. Yeah, says not to start. 151 teacher said, right. So who's starting? 156 student 2 and 3 said us. 2 and 3 students are starting. 157 student 1. They are going with against. They are going with against. 158 teacher said, all right then, go on. So why is it wrong? Here teacher, all right then, go on. So why is it wrong? Teacher asking, why is it wrong? 159 student, no, we are not talking about. Here student replied to teacher, we are not talking about it. 160 student 3. It is wrong because that would mean that the doctors can cause defects to the child that child there. Okay, means here complete the student dialogue. Here teacher and students, they are talking to each other. Okay, then next example, dialogue writing. Here each new speaker get their own paragraph. Minimum 2 speakers required. Okay, given here notification. First year teacher okay, student first read this. Okay, okay, teacher student means here teacher and student here only one student are talking to each other. So here dialogue is given. First read this dialogue writing. Okay, student. Teacher said, Mona, stand up. Stand up. What am I teaching? Here teacher said to Mona, stand up, Mona. What am I teaching? Student, sir, you are teaching grammar. Here Mona replied, means student replied that, sir, you are teaching grammar. Teacher said, Mona, look at the board. See the word adjective. Is the spelling correct? Here teacher said to Mona. See the means look at the board. See the word adjective. Adjective is the correct spelling. Student, yes sir, the spelling is correct. Here Mona replied, yes sir, spelling is correct. Teacher said, can anyone tell me what a noun is? Here teacher again new question create the here. Any student can tell me what is a noun? Student, a noun is the name of a person, a place or a thing. Yes student. One student replied that to teacher means a noun is a naming word. Naming word, a place, a person or a thing. Teacher said Delhi is the capital city of India. Name any two nouns used in this sentence. Here teacher create one question. Delhi is the capital city of India. Any student tell me name any two nouns in this sentence. Student, Delhi and the city are the two nouns. Delhi and the city. Here city place and Delhi proper place. Two nouns. Teacher, what kind of nouns are they? Here which type of means kind of. Student, Delhi is a proper noun and the city is a common noun. Delhi proper noun and city is a common noun. Any city, Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, any etc. Teacher said, period is over now. I will explain to you this topic tomorrow. Here teacher said, period is over now. I will explain this topic on tomorrow. Okay student, here our converse dialogue writing completed. Now read from video and write 3 examples. What is the dialogue writing? Remember to point. Okay, write in your notebook from this video.